How you find the official list of DNR accredited pollution control officer training institution? Well, of course, number one is to check the DNR Environmental Management Bureau website. You can use our favorite internet browser and then type emb.gov.ph. emb.gov.ph. The website of Environmental Management Bureau under DNR, because DNR EMB is the agency that accredits PCO training institution under DOUT 2014-02. Now, dito sa website ng EMB, makikita niyo po itong environmental statistics. So, click lang natin itong environmental statistics at para makakita tayo ng listahan ng mga accredited training institution. So, here you can see sa lower portion, Pollution Control Officers Training Organization or Institution. So in short, ito yung website ng EMB Central Office kung saan nagpapublish ng list of recognized PCO training organization or institution. At dito, i-click lang natin. So magbibigay siya ng listahan ng database. Ayan, as shown on the screen. So, pwede nating i-select kung anong region. Halimbawa, ikaw ay nasa Region 4A. So, i-click mo lang tong Region 4A at papakita niya sa iyo yung mga list of accredited training institution gaya ng JP Environment Consultancy Services located in Region 4A. At syempre, nakasulat dyan yung kanilang recognition, yung recognition, kung kailan na-issue ang kanilang recognition. Gaya dito, May 19, 2025 at mag-expire ng May 19, 2026. So yan ay mismong makikita natin dito sa website ng EMB Central Office, yung database nga, ano po, showing yung mga accredited training institution. So, ang JP Environment Consultancy Services ay accredited ng DNR EMB Central Office para mag-offer ng PCO training, ng managing head training, at yan po ay sa buong Pilipinas. Okay? At hindi naman ibig sabihin ang kanilang office ay nasa Region 4A, located sa Region 4A, ay hindi na sila pwedeng mag-offer ng PCO training and managing head training sa ibang region. Kailangan, pwedeng mag-offer, pwedeng mag-accept ng participants coming from different regions kasi ang kanilang recognition ay galing sa Environmental Management Bureau Central Office covering lahat ng regional offices ng EMB. So again, on how to find the list of accredited training institution, ay pupunta lang tayo sa website ng EMB. Hahanapin lang natin itong environmental statistics at makikita natin ang button ng Pollution Control Officer Training Organization or Institution. And then click mo lang to, lalabas ngayon yung listahan ng mga accredited training institution sa buong Pilipinas na po ito. You can select nga kung anong region, kung saan ka malapit, kung Region 4A, nandyan nyo makikita ang uh, 5 na accredited training organization or institution kasama ang JP Environment Consultancy Services. So, nandyan din ang date of issuance at kung kailan ang expiration. Nandyan din nakasulat yung recognition number 2025-09-R. So, kung kayo ay in doubt doon sa mga training provider or training institution, you can validate sa website ng EMB kasi pagka hindi accredited, di naman mag-a-appear dito yon. At pwede naman kayong tumawag sa EMB Central Office para po sa pag-validate kung talagang accredited sila. You can contact the official contact information ng EMB para sa validation kung accredited ba ang training institution or training provider. Pero enough na yon, basta mag-appear dito sa website ng EMB, hindi naman yan i-encode ng ah, EMB sa system kung hindi valid ang accreditation. So yun lamang po at thank you very much for time listening. Kung nakatulong ito sa iyo, please like and share this video. Thank you very much everyone and God bless us all.